Welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Ross Givens, head trader and educator here at Traders Agency. Now our mission is simple, to help you become a more knowledgeable, more profitable trader or investor. Now the stock market can be intimidating, especially if you're brand new, but it doesn't need to be. I've coached tens of thousands of traders over the years, so I've got a fairly good insight into what issues and what struggles most investors have and how to help you overcome those. And that's why we started this YouTube channel, to give us another medium to help everyday investors achieve market-beating results. Now, our strategy here is fairly straightforward. We want to own the best of the best. With more than 6,000 publicly traded stocks available to buy, there is absolutely no reason you should ever settle for mediocre or just good. You should be focusing on great. Market-leading stocks that have huge earnings growth, huge sales growth, that are running up 50, 100, 200% in weeks and months, not months or years. The best way to ensure you never outperform the market is to do exactly what everyone else is doing. If you truly want above average returns, you need to do something different. And that means focusing on the top names out there. Now, we're going to do several things on this YouTube channel. We're going to highlight individual stocks we like, why we like them, try to help teach you what to look for in potential investments. We're going to show you how to read charts. We're going to cover the different chart patterns that have proven to have the highest success rate. And most importantly, I'm going to teach you how to trade with the smallest risk possible. How to buy stocks risking 6, 7, 8% and still have the potential to make 60 or 70 or 80. So thank you for stopping by. We look forward to helping you in your journey as a trader or investor. And if there's any content you want us to make, please feel free to put it down in the comments and I will do my best to put something together for you. Thanks again and happy trading.